Today we introduce to you Liquid Dispenser, our solution for immersion applications in high-resolution inverted light microscopy. By using objective-specific adapters, the Liquid Dispenser is compatible with most inverted light microscopes. The objective adapters are easy to mount and seal tightly with the objective. This protects your microscope from any contamination. The Liquid Dispenser holds 2 laboratory glass bottles, one for new and one for used immersion medium. Using a pump, the Liquid Dispenser floods the objective adapter with immersion medium until the objective is completely covered with liquid. Excess liquid is immediately extracted from the discharge. You can operate the Liquid Dispenser in conjunction with our proven TANGO controller on a PC or in standalone mode. Via the TTL interface, it can also be connected to many controllers from other manufacturers. The Liquid Dispenser is also available in a version for upright microscope applications. Liquid Dispenser. Liquid immersion for high-resolution light microscopy. Improve your microscope.